In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default Ethereum wallet in Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what each option means, and how to make sure your choice actually takes effect. First, open your Brave browser and go straight to the Web3 settings page. The quickest way is to click in the address bar, type brave/settings/web3, and press enter. This loads Brave's dedicated page for blockchain and wallet controls, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. On this page, look for the setting labeled Default Ethereum Wallet. This is the switch that tells Brave which wallet should handle Ethereum connections when a website tries to interact with a wallet. You'll see two important choices, None and Brave Wallet, Prefer Extension. Choosing None is a great option if you don't want websites to automatically prompt any wallet, or if you're troubleshooting conflicts between multiple wallets. With None, Brave won't hand off Ethereum requests to a wallet by default, which can help avoid pop-ups or accidental connections while you browse. Choosing Brave Wallet, Prefer Extension, is useful if you use an extension-based wallet and want Brave to prioritize that. With this setting, Brave will prefer a compatible wallet extension if it's present, and otherwise rely on Brave's own wallet support. It's a good middle ground if you occasionally switch between Brave's built-in wallet features and a separate extension, and you want sites to connect smoothly without guessing which one to use. Once you've made your selection, the change won't fully apply until you restart the browser. To do that, close Brave completely, not just the current window. On desktop, make sure the app is fully quit. On Windows, confirm it's not still running in the system tray. And on macOS, choose Quit Brave from the application menu, then reopen Brave as you normally would. This restart ensures Brave refreshes its wallet handling behavior across all tabs and sites. After the restart, your new setting is active. If you're curious, you can return to Brave settings Web3 to confirm your choice is saved. When you visit sites that use Ethereum, for example, decentralized apps or NFT marketplaces, you should notice they either don't prompt a wallet when set to None, or they smoothly connect to the preferred wallet if you chose as Brave Wallet, Prefer Extension. That's it. A quick settings change and a restart are all you need to control how Brave handles Ethereum connections, reduce wallet conflicts, and streamline your Web3 experience. Thanks for watching, and happy